Hello there. Today's video will delve into the black cat strategy, which will compel him to pursue you like a golden retriever. Similar to an enigmatic cat, you should blend a bit of distance with just the right amount of affection to keep him captivated. Here's how it's done. 1. Embrace independence. Cats don't always crave attention, and this can drive people wild in the best possible way. Have confidence in your life and aspirations. When you're thriving independently, he will feel drawn to become a part of your world. 2. Offer attention in moderation. Cats display affection but on their own terms. Similarly, give him occasional moments of attention, but not excessively. This will keep the chase thrilling, making him yearn for more of your presence. 3. Maintain a sense of mystery. Similar to a cat that vanishes unexpectedly, don't divulge everything about yourself too soon. Retain an air of mystery. This will pique his interest and make him eager to get to know you better. 4. Incorporate playfulness. Just as cats enjoy playing hard to get, infuse playfulness into your interactions. Teasing and light-hearted banter create a fun dynamic that keeps the energy light and compelling. By embodying the self-reliance and allure of a black cat, you'll have him chasing after you in no time. For additional insights into the psychology of attraction, explore the works of relationship expert Esther Perel.